It's been a while since I had a Paris Corner fragrance, or can't remember for putting a Paris Corner fragrance on review on my show, but I'm doing it right now, and I'm so glad I can do some fragrance reviews on Paris Corner fragrances. One that I want to introduce to you, I haven't seen a couple of reviews on this online anywhere yet, so hopefully I'm one of the first guys that's doing a nice review, or just a review for you guys, and then you can get an idea what it smells like. Now, this is called Norstar Expressions Corner 3. It's called Trio for 3, but this is a beautiful fragrance in a bottle, and you'll see on the opening as well, the bottle is very nice, and the packaging is so nice as well. Now, this is known to be a unisex fragrance, and it combines blends of citrus, spice, and woody notes, and it's got a very nice spray on it as well. So let's have a smell and see what this smells like. Whew, this is nice. Yo, guys, this is a fresh bottle of juice. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Let me give you an idea. Let me give you an example. And I hope I'm not the only one that had this as a kid. But you remember when you got those fruity toffees that you open the whole bag and it's full of lime and orange and grape and strawberry toffees, you know, and you put like 2 different toffees in your mouth and you start chewing them. Now, guys, this is exactly that taste of that zesty lemon, lime, strawberry, grape, however you mix it, that taste that you have while chewing that toffees, and I hope you're tasting it. This is exactly what this fragrance smells like. This is a stunning bottle of juice, guys. I'm being honest with you. This is one of the nicest fragrances I've smelled in a long time. Fresh fragrances. And this is so nice. This is a beautiful, fresh fragrance. And the notes on it, guys, the toffees alone should actually explain what the notes is. But this has got bergamot, Sicilian orange, neroli, Nigerian ginger, Chinese black tea, and woody notes. And it is fresh, guys. This is a stunning summer fragrance. You will get at least 4 or 5 hours out of this, but I'm going to be honest with you, you're going to wear this with pride. This is a stunning, beautiful fragrance, exquisite, fruity, fresh fragrance. You will enjoy this. I'm serious. This is a nice fragrance, and I really, really appreciate it. It's appreciative and it's very nice. I really like this. This fragrance I got from Luxurious Perfumes in Nelspruit. Put the numbers down for you. Send them a WhatsApp if you'd like to inquire about this fragrance. I would suggest you do, because this is so nice and fresh. Give them a WhatsApp. Have a chat.